Hi everyone, it's Mimi. Welcome back to my channel. I am so super excited to share with you guys these beautiful glitters that I received from BJ's Glitter. You guys have seen me use some of their glitter in my previous Tumblr video, and I will link that up here at the top for you guys to check that out if you haven't seen it. But BJ's has been slowly becoming one of my favorite glitter shops. And I really didn't even realize, but they are located really close to me here in Southern California. So I get my items super quick. So I received this box about a week ago. I just haven't had a chance to do this video, but they had seen my video of my Sunset Beachy tumbler that I did and wanted to send me some of their favorites so that I can give them a try. And I'm so grateful. So thank you so much to everybody over at BJ's. I am dying to use these colors. So I will go through each one of these. I mean, look at this box that they sent. I have a total of 12 colors in here that I will go over. And they sent me a cute little note. It says, "Your beachy sunset tumbler was amazing. Enjoy a few glitters on us. Brandy and Jerry." So thank you so much, Brandy and Jerry. Look at this yumminess. So their glitter does come in these 2-ounce bags. And I told you guys before that I do transfer them into my own glitter shakers and then create my own labels so that they're easy to use. So let's go ahead and jump right in. The first one they sent is Aqua Mist. You guys know me and my blues and aquas. I love it. So the color is Aqua Teal. This is a metallic crystal. And I don't really have a lot of this type of glitter in my stash. You guys can tell that it is an extra fine cut. And I hope you guys can see that. But it's more like kind of on the matte side, I would say. I did go ahead and I had to play with these as soon as I got them. I did put it in my heart mold. So that is what it looks like in epoxy. So it does give a more subtle, like, glitter, but it is still so pretty. I love this shade. So that is Aqua Mist. I will not only have a link to their website, but I will list these all individually. So if there's a certain color that you like, you can go right to it. The next one that they sent me is Bedrock. And this one is a high sparkling opalescent. You guys can see that gold shift when I kind of tilt it in the light. This is a bright coral that turns to gold. This is also a extra fine cut. And I think this color is perfect for any summer tumblers coming up. And here it is under epoxy. You guys can really see that gold shift in it. It is super pretty. So that one, again, is Bedrock. Next up is Blizzard. This is an opalescent color shift. Look at that. So beautiful. So it shifts from a white to a pink to a green. I don't know if you guys can really see the green in there. I can definitely see the white and the pink. So this is a medium chunky. You guys can see that. And here it is under epoxy. Do you see that shine? It is so pretty. Next up is Blue Raspberry. Look how gorgeous this color is. This is another extra fine cut. It is holographic. So this would be awesome doing a tack it method on your glitter tumblers. And who doesn't like anything hollow, right? So pretty. And here it is under epoxy. I am doing this all in natural light, so hopefully you guys can get a clearer picture of what the color actually looks like. But I love it. Next up is Cake Face. I was a little unsure about this color when I first received it. It's nothing like I actually own or probably would even take a second look at, but it has this beautiful, this is also a metallic crystal, just like the Aqua Mist that I first showed you, and in the extra fine cut. And this is a tan, but it has these gold highlights, and I can see it in person. I don't know if you guys can see that. I can definitely see it in person, and you can kind of see it when I tilt it in the light, but it is actually a really pretty color, and I think it would be great to use for like any type of sand. That's what I envisioned for it. This is what it looks like under epoxy. You can definitely see that gold in there. So that one is Cake Face. Next is Egyptian Lover. This is another medium chunky cut. And this is a metallic glitter. It's champagne gold with a beautiful rainbow color hues. So you can definitely see the rainbow in there. Well, hopefully you can. I can definitely see it. It is so pretty. And all these glitters are so soft. You guys can see the cut and look at that color shift. Love it. And this is what it looks like under epoxy. They do also carry a chunkier version, which is called Luxor. And when you see the descriptions, if it does have a different pairing, like whether it's a chunky and you want a fine or vice versa, they will put that in the description of the product that you're looking at. So again, that is Egyptian Lover. Here is a chunky mix called Jellyfish. This is a opalescent holographic color shift. Can definitely see the opal in there. And this one shifts from a pink to a gold to like a rainbow hue. And it's kind of like on the salmon kind of color. Look how pretty that is. And here is a look at it under epoxy. I just love that color shift. So you can see that pink salmon kind of hue to it. Here's the next one. It is called Paradise. And this is a holographic teal. Again, great for any tack-it tumblers. This is what it looks like under epoxy. I love this shade, and I don't have anything like this in my collection already. And this is the extra fine cut. The next extra fine cut is Pegasus, and this is a metallic color shift. You can definitely see that color shift in there. And this shifts from a blue, purple, turquoise, and pink with multi-color shifts. It's like all my favorite colors rolled into this soon as I open the bag, I can see all the rainbow colors in there. It's harder to tell on camera, but this is an absolutely beautiful color. This is what it looks like under epoxy. I think this would be great for any like Halloween cups or anybody that loves purple. It is so beautiful. Here we have Pinkie Pie. This was one of the ones that I was super excited about. I had seen somebody use this on a cup that they were creating, and I was actually planning on picking it up pretty soon, and they sent it to me in my package, so thank you so much. This, again, is an extra fine cut. It is a high sparkling iridescent, and it is, as you can see, a bright hot pink with purple sparkle. It's like a really light, like lavender sparkle. I hope you guys can see that. It is so pretty. You can see that purple in there. And I have been really getting into like neon-y type of fluorescent colors lately, and I cannot wait to use this on a cup. Wait till you guys see this. How gorgeous is this under epoxy? I love it. So awesome. I love this. This one is Sapphire. Another extra fine cut. This is a metallic royal blue. I love it. It is so pretty. I mean, it is royal blue. This is an absolutely gorgeous shade. Do you guys see that? So sparkly. And I do not have this in a fine version, so thank you so much for sending this to me. It'll come in handy. And last but definitely not least, they sent me white diamonds. If you guys have not checked out their diamond collection, I actually placed an order yesterday to complete my diamonds collection. I do have quite a few of them already, but these are so stinking amazing. This is an extra fine cut. They are metallic. And this is pure white. It has a mirror flash and high shine. I just cannot tell you how gorgeous not only this white diamonds is, but all of their colors in their diamonds collection. Here it is under epoxy. It's harder to tell on screen, but you can definitely tell that mirror flash in it. And like they said, it is pure white. It is gorgeous. If you guys are familiar with a lot of white glitters, at least what I found is that a lot of them shift like really light pink. I hope you guys know what I'm talking about. But this is white. So I'm thrilled to add this to my diamonds collection. And this is so amazing. Again, here are all the colors. All under epoxy. All so beautiful. They have the best prices. I would highly recommend heading over there, checking out their site, and of course supporting a small business. So thank you guys so much for stopping by. I hope you guys go give them a try and let me know what you guys think. If you've actually used them, let me know what you guys think of them, and they are so super sweet. I love helping to support any business that, especially that has great products and also has great customer service. So I hope you guys have a wonderful rest of the day, and I will see you guys really soon with another video. Bye everyone.